Hi kids. Nono. Ngwabakono. Let's meet our final primate cousin, Utòbò the baboon. Baboons are full of energy, fun, and flair. They are the most expressive of the primate cousins. In Igbo, we call the baboon Utòbò. Say it with me, Utòbò. Baboons have tails like monkeys, but unlike the chimpanzees and gorillas. Their faces can be bright red and blue like face paint. And the females, well, they've got bright red bottoms. That's their way of saying, hey, I'm fabulous and I know it. Let's say it again together. Utòbò, Utòbò. There's an Utòbò in every one of us, energetic, always ready for fun, and never afraid to stand out with a smile. Utòbò says goodbye, but keep your spark, your giggles, and your love for fun. Until next time, bye.